Let's solve a question on Laplace transform. We need to prove that Laplace of t power n is n factorial divided by s power n plus 1. So we know the basic formula of Laplace, that is Laplace of ft is equals to 0 से infinity 0 to infinity e power minus st ft dt. This is the basic formula for Laplace. Now if we want to find the Laplace of t power n, so that will be 0 to infinity e power minus st. In place of ft we will have t power n dt. Okay. Now for solving this, let's take st equals to u. Differentiate both sides with respect to t. So you will get s dt equals to du, or we can write dt equals to 1 by s du. Okay. Now as far as limit is concerned, so when t equals to 0, what will happen to u? When t equals to 0, s into 0, again u will also will equal to 0, and when t equals to infinity, what will happen to u? Infinity into, again it will be infinity. So limit is not changing after the substitution. So Laplace of t power n is 0 to infinity e power minus st into t power n dt. Now after substitution it will become 0 to infinity st is u, so e power minus u. What is t? T is u by s, so u by s raised to power n, and in place of dt we will have 1 by s du. Okay, fine. Now we can rearrange this and write 0 to infinity e power minus u. Now this is u raised to power n, and in denominator we will have s power n plus 1. S power n from here and s power 1 from here, so collectively s power n plus 1 du. Okay, we can bring this s power n plus 1 out, so 1 upon s power n plus 1, 0 to infinity e power minus u power n du. Now let's go back to our past. What we already learned, that gamma n is 0 to infinity e power minus x ka power n minus 1 dx. Now if we replace x by u, so gamma n will become 0 to infinity e power minus u power n minus 1 du. Okay, fine. And this on solving comes out to be equal to n minus 1 factorial. So gamma n is n minus 1 factorial. We can discuss this proof later on. बाद में इसको डिस्कस कर लेंगे. n गामा का वैल्यू, गामा n का वैल्यू n minus 1 factorial आता है. So similarly we can write gamma of n plus 1, what will that be equal to? Factorial n, in place of n we write n plus 1 minus 1, so this will be equal to n factorial. So finally gamma of n plus 1 is n factorial. Clear? So we can write this as 1 upon s raised to power n plus 1, 0 to infinity e power minus u. We can now write this as u power n minus 1 plus 1 du. Okay, so this is 1 upon s power n plus 1. Now 0 to infinity e power minus u power n minus 1. This was gamma n. Now if we similarly write for gamma n plus 1, what will that be equal to? E power minus u power, in place of n we will have to write n plus 1 minus 1. Okay, in place of n we are writing n plus 1. Okay, in place of n we are writing n plus 1. So here this is, जब यहां पे n था, इसको फिर से लिख के देख लेते हैं एक बार अगर कंफ्यूजन हो रहा हो तो। n गामा n का ये एक्सप्रेशन है, ठीक है। तो जब यहां n था तो यहां n माइनस 1 होगा, ठीक है। तो अगर सिमिलरली गामा n प्लस 1 के लिए लिखने जाए तो हो जाएगा 0 से लेके इंफिनिटी e पावर माइनस u का पावर, n था तो n माइनस 1, n मतलब जो यहां है उससे एक कम इसके पावर में, तो यहां n प्लस 1 है तो इसके पावर में क्या आ जाएगा, n प्लस 1 माइनस 1, n प्लस 1 माइनस 1 du, ठीक है। वही चीज तो यहां लिखा हुआ है, एक सेकेंड इसको चेंज कर दे, अगर इसको n प्लस 1 माइनस 1 लिख दे तो अब इससे मैच कर रहा है गामा n प्लस 1 के फॉर्मूले से n प्लस 1 माइनस 1। तो अंदर जो भी लिखा हुआ है उसको हम गामा n प्लस 1 से रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं। तो ये है हमारे पास लैप्लास ऑफ t पावर n which is equal to 1 upon s पावर n प्लस 1 इंटू गामा n प्लस 1, ठीक है। अब गामा n प्लस 1 तो n फैक्टोरियल के इक्वल आता है, तो फाइनली हम लिख सकते हैं लैप्लास ऑफ t रेज टू पावर n is n factorial divided by s raised to power n plus 1. This is the proof for Laplace of t raised to power n. एक बार आप ध्यान से देख ले हर एक स्टेप को।